I recently bought this candle making kit on Amazon, and today we're going to try it out and see how it does. It was about $15, and there wasn't a brand listed when I purchased it, but as you can see, there is a brand, Futu, but it came with a bunch of stuff, and it was just listed as kind of a DIY kit. So these are the wick holders. It also came with some sticks that can hold the wicks. It came with a bag of wicks and some scents, essential oils or fragrances. There were also stainless steel tweezers and a stir, as well as these coloring wax, as well as a few tins. And this is the stove that it came with. It's the type of stove that you use a candle under. We ended up using our stove in our kitchen. And then I bought these little clay fillers and these marble, granite rocks, heart-shaped rocks, I guess is what you call them, separately. They did not come with it. I picked this kit because I wanted a soy wax kit. You can get them in beeswax and paraffin, but I specifically wanted soy wax, so that's what I chose. And then I filtered by price, and this was one of the more affordable ones. The prices, they get out of control. They add a bunch of stuff, and it just makes the price go higher and higher. So I wasn't really concerned with, all this extra stuff, but it did come with it. And it is nice to have if you are just starting out. So here you can see the listings on Amazon, and there are different prices. Like I said, I paid $15 for mine, but you can buy the $41, the $25 one, the $60 one. They come with all different kinds of things, and they can get pretty expensive pretty quickly. So I bought mine several months ago, and it just sat around. But the newer ones have these little electric stoves, and they don't have the candle stove, so that's kind of nice. So if you filter by price, you can see that the options are pretty limited for under $15. Like I said, I bought mine a while ago, and here is one for $15 on Amazon, so that's pretty good. But like I said, I bought mine a while ago, so prices have gone up significantly since then. But there are some options in the $15 to $20 range, and there's some good kits. And if you want soy wax, you might have to pay a little bit more, $17, $20. I would suggest not buying a $40 one to start out with. And if you're willing to purchase on Temu, you can get it way cheaper. Here's one for $10. And here's one for $15 right beside the very same one for $37. So you've got to watch out for that. But there are some good kits over here as well. They are a little cheaper. This one specifically is $8, and it has a ton of things with it. So everything you need for $8 to start out. And neither one of these companies are sponsoring me. I'm just showing you how I purchased my kit. So let's go try it out. So it's pretty easy. It does come with instructions, but you just take the wick and you stick it onto the sticker. And if you don't have stickers, you can use a little piece of glue. And then you stick the little stickers with the wick attached into your container, like so. And then you use a popsicle stick to hold it in place. The little popsicle sticks with the holes, or they have metal wick holders as well. I prefer the popsicle sticks, so that's what I used. Although I did get them both in the kit. Then you warm your wax up and just pour it in like that. You want to pour it in kind of slow. And make sure that you don't fill all the way up to the top, because it will grow as it hardens. We melted our wax on our real stove in a pot, and we used a heat thermometer to get it to the right temperature. It was very easy, even though they make a huge deal about it online, about what temp it should be and how you should get it to that temp. I just warmed it up as slow and low as I possibly could to get it to melt. As you can see, it's so easy that even a man can do it. Drew is actually making these candles while I'm recording, and he's watching hockey in the background. You might can hear it. Okay, so here's the end result. We made 3. It took all that wax to make 3. These ones I reheated in order to get these. These are the clay. They're made out of clay, right? And so I put them in at the last minute, like after they had kind of set but not fully hardened. But they didn't stick as well as I wanted them to. So these I reheated to try to get some in on like the top layer. I reheated them with a hairdryer because I don't have a heat gun. And I do not like the way they reglazed on the top. See how they had like this has like a weird little texture to it. This one too. These ones I reheated with the hairdryer. This one I did not reheat with the hairdryer. And it kind of has a better texture. There's a couple little marks on it where I moved my tweezers on there to move things around. And then there's a couple little drops right there. That was essential oil. I put essential oil on the top, hoping that would kind of like stick it down, but it did not. It just beat it up. So overall, I learned some things. These are cute. They turned out well. I will make them again, and every time I will learn. I'll give these away to people for Valentine's Day and see how they burned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite technique for candle burning is. I will take all the advice we can get. We're trying to make these candles. You know, we sell stuff on eBay, so we'll be putting these up on eBay and Mercari. Not these, but once we get good at it, we'll be selling them. So I'm looking for a product of which I can sell, and I hope candles might turn out to be one. So yeah, let me know your best candle making techniques, and also what you found the best product to sell is online. Thanks for watching.